I'm Matthew Leach, and I'm going to show you what Almost 5 Year does. This is the alarm. If you pull this out, it will get more sensitive. If you push this in, it will not get very sensitive. The on switch is right here, and if movement goes past here, I don't have it on, so it won't beep. It will beep, and you can kind of turn it like that. And that is number 1 for one of my sets. This is number 2 for one of my sets, for the same set. The on switch is on the back, which happens a lot. Same thing, but they'll pull out and push in. If number 1 goes off, then this right here, it'll make a laser beam until it hits a wall, and if you touch that laser beam, it will beep also. Now this is number 3, the last one for the set. Same thing with the little zoom in and out thing. Now if you go past here, guess what will happen? It will shoot these 2 darts. Now this is the disc launcher. The disc comes out right there. You can open this up to launch the disc. Here's what one looks like. Red, shaped like a ring. And you turn on this like that. And you just pull this trigger in and it'll shoot one. And you want to see what it looks like? This is what it looks like. So that's what that does. In seconds. Okay. Now this is the secret agent pin case. The pin comes out right here. You twist this counterclockwise. That's how you open it up. Now you take off this. Well, right now it's just a regular pin. If you take off this, you put on this. It's a motion detector. Same thing with the onion thing. Extra ink. And there's a light that goes on it, and there's this little ring that goes on it. But I lost it, so oh well. There's like one of those scopes that you use. This is how you kind of make it so you can see better. Now you can see really good. And when you are done, you just put like that. Put the pin in there. Okay, what I also got is this little belt. It has lots of things that are convenient. This is a little light that goes on your ear, like that. Turn on the light, and you got a light on your ear. This is a marker. If you write, like if this was a piece of paper I'm writing on it, you cannot see it unless you get this light on the end and you look at with this light. Now I got a motion detector. It's one of those little things that detects motion. Same thing with the zoom in and out. And it will detect motion. It just beeps. dropped it for there. And I bet you see something like this that I'm going to show you. See, lots of people that don't know how to hear, but can't hear really well. Good with. It's like a hearing aid. What you do is you take this, put it in your ear, flip the switch on the back. It can be really good. You can pretty much hear yourself. And that's all I got for that. And the last thing, it's a case. You can see a motion detector right there. From outside this case, you can just push this button so you can zoom in and out. And what you do is you close the case up, and someone takes the case, the C-side like that, and you'll see that somebody stole your case. Now, secret compartment right here. Got LED light in there. Oh, got LED light. I got a light that I can turn on from outside the case. It's right there. Just push the light in. Got a light. Now I think you have noticed this. What it does is you see these dart holders? Take 2 darts out. You put them in here. And then you close the case up. You're walking down the street, and there's somebody that wants to shoot darts at. This shoots left dart, this shoots the right. And this is what it looks like. Cool, huh? Okay, got a little scope right here. You can see from outside the case, close or far. Now we are burning this into a CD. You can hold in a CD. And that's all I got. Now, thanks to my camera person, my dad, Todd Leach. And thank you for watching me demonstrate all my spy gear. See you later. Bye.